We're looking at what's next after a plea deal for two of the men convicted of murdering Ahmaud Arbery fell apart. We told you yesterday when the deal for Greg and Travis McMichael fell apart after Arbery's family and the judge objected to the terms of the deal. On your side's Kaylee Tracy is digging deeper tonight in what went wrong and what we can expect in the days ahead.
I'm not surprised that there is a disconnect.
Attorney Esther Panich says she is not shocked that Ahmaud Arbery's family says they weren't told about the plea deals prosecutors offered to Greg and Travis McMichael.
If people really knew what was going on in federal courts and in their U.S. attorney's offices, I think they'd be really surprised. But I'm not surprised as a defense attorney. And I think if you ask a lot of defense attorneys, they wouldn't be surprised either.
The Justice Department said in a statement that family attorneys indicated Arbery's parents did not oppose the plea deal. But Arbery family attorney Lee Merritt says this is a misrepresentation. He says he was consulted, but says federal prosecutors did not tell him all of the terms of the agreement, which included moving the McMichaels to a federal facility, something the family has consistently opposed.
It's not uncommon for members of the Department of Justice to represent one thing when there are reasons to believe it wasn't accurate to begin with.
Since the judge denied the deals for both, the McMichaels have until Friday to decide whether to withdraw their guilty pleas and go to trial. Panich says if they do, it may take a little longer than expected to find a fair and impartial jury, since the defendants both just indicated a willingness to admit to a hate crime.
They're going to have to pick a jury the same way they would have to pick a jury with these potential jurors, knowing about the guilty verdicts in the state case. So they're going to have to ask the jurors in voir dire, what do you know about this case?
If the McMichaels don't withdraw their guilty pleas, their sentences will be up to the judge. Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News, on your side.